the open cursor, we have to VI. We have to VI.
Marinette, he question remote control.
I remember the parameter processes and the cursor. We can do it from the parameter file.
Yeah, it's a parameter. It's initialization.
Yeah.
All the parameters.
I don't know about
retention
cursor, too. Yes, retention.
Being it retention time, being it open cursor, everything you can do it through your parameter file. You can do it on SQL Plus. Okay. David,
that we cannot remember.
David is no more there. That's what you guys are not. Listen, it's not easier.
Where's David?
It is not easy.
David is
like the same thing we did in the exam, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing. She just wants to make sure we remember.
So
we have not forgotten 3 weeks after.
But for me, I think I just remember like it's a parameter file. So when we have to.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I think I need to say no. I need to exit from SQL. Please, somebody call David. It's not easy. For example, somebody who didn't know, now he's no more there. You guys are not making this thing easy for me. Okay, so I'm on my operating system. I think I need to cd. No, I cannot show parameter on the operating system. cd
Oracle underscore home slash DBS.
Exactly. I need to cd Oracle underscore
home slash DBS.
DBS.
Yes, I remember this P file.
This is all you need to do to see your parameter. Now I'll VI init
TLSDMO.
Is it TLSDMO she's using? Okay.
Yes, because we are on TLSDMO.
VI
there.
Init
Don't see it, but
Aura.
Marinette, are you getting it?
Yes.
So the first thing I did was I came to my operating system, right? I did cd because I'm trying to see my my parameter file. Yes, I'm trying to see my parameter file. So I did cd $oracle underscore home slash DBS. Remember, the operating system is case sensitive. So if I did cd $oracle underscore home lowercase, it's not gonna work. So it needs to be as you see here, uppercase slash DBS lowercase. Then I list and I'll see all my P files and SP files. Now I want to change the parameters in my TLSDMO P file. That's the reason why I VI init TLSDMO.aura. When I enter,
hold on 1 second. You said that I know that it's just because I forgot it. I know that the Oracle Home, that is for the parameter, and the VI is to do what? It's not to.
When you issue the VI command, you
VI is to write or to change anything.
Exactly, to write or to change, right?
It's a P file.
So that's what I want to do. I want to edit my processes. So something is wrong with this.
I don't see any.
You don't have any power.
Yes.
That database is empty.
It's empty.
Oh God.
She didn't. She didn't set the parameter.
Okay, no problem. So I'm just gonna
create.
I'm not gonna create. I want to, but no, it's not possible.
You have to yes, go out and set everything.
I'll go to SQL.
Parameter.
Okay, I will show parameter. Parameter. Open underscore. I think I'm not sure.
I don't think.
Okay, good. So what I'm doing, it is called troubleshooting. For example, I did not see the files inside her P5, right?
Mm-hmm.
My question is, what is the problem? Why is there no file in her P5? It is simple.
She
I'll
didn't.
just go and query my open cursor. Though I did not see it in my P5, I will query my open cursor, and this is my open cursor. If I want to edit, I'll just alter. I think it's alter database and
Open cursor. Change parameter.
It is set. Alter database set here. I think it's set.
Set open cursor.
Okay, good. Alter database set.
Open underscore
cursor. I don't know if I need to open the screen.
I think I see you put S. Put S again. Open cursor. It's not that. It's not S at the end.
Michael.
Open cursor equals. I don't know if I need to put it. Oh my God.
Because I see.
Open cursor equals 250. Let me just try. Okay, something is wrong.
Yeah.
I don't need to put either. I don't
open. That open is missing. You see the place the star point is like.
No, it doesn't point it exactly at the place that you have the issue.
Okay.
It point on it.
Okay. See the problem? No. It is alter system and not alter database.
Yeah.
Alter system.
Okay.
Open underscore. No.
Yeah, open underscore cursor.
Okay. Open underscore cursor equals, let me say 350. Okay.
Scope.
Our scope. Okay, our scope equals both.
Both.
Scope equals both.
Alter illegal option.
For sure, it is. There's no underscore. No, there's no underscore.
Open cursor, yes. I want to show parameters. Just show.
Oh my God.
Show parameter processes.
So, Renata, they have underscore. Cursors plural S with S.
I told you.
Cursor plural. Okay.
Try again with S. Because there it shows with S.
Okay.
I'll just cursor.
It was
350. Scope of. Yeah.
Okay, good. So I guess you can do the other ones for the retention time and the parameter process. Marinette, if you're good, I'll grant you back the remote control.
Michael.
David, did you understand this?
Come on.
Hello, David. Okay, that's fine. Marinette,
David
go ahead
is
and...
connected.
I say no.
No, okay. So the first thing we did was, I don't have the remote control anymore. Marinette, I requested a remote control. Hello, Marinette.
Yes, I just gave you that.
Okay. So the first thing I did, if I want to change if I want to view my processes, my parameter processes, I can do it on SQL Plus, and I can do it on the operating system. I decided to do it on the operating system. That's the reason why I did cd $oracle_home/dbs. This is it. To view my parameter files. Yes. To view my parameter file, I did cd $oracle_home/dbs. Remember, the operating system is case sensitive. That means if I did this one and I did Oracle underscore home lowercase, it wasn't going to work. So it needs to be uppercase. So I did yes lowercase, and I listed, this is all my P files and SP file. This is all my P file and SP file. My parameters are inside my P file. So whenever I want to change my parameter, I go inside my P file, or I do it on SQL Plus. I decided to do it on my operating system using my P file. So what we did was edit a file. Edit a file. We all know the VI command. So that's what we use. I did VI init tls-demo.ora. This is the P5 tls-demo. So when we got inside this one, unfortunately, her P5 was empty. So I went out of the P5 and decided to do it on SQL Plus. So I connected to SQL, as you can see, and show open cursor, whatever, show parameter open cursor, whatever you want to see as a parameter, show parameter open cursor, show parameter recovery. Yes, show parameter recovery, show parameter retention time, show parameter, show parameter, show parameter. So it is not just for open cursor. For example, if I ask my unit to edit her parameter process, she's gonna show parameter process. She can do it on operating system. She can do it on SQL Plus. So I showed parameter open cursor, and this is what I got. Now I want to edit my open cursor. We all know the alter database set command. Whenever you want to update something, you use the set and you put what you want to update. Whenever you want to alter something, you alter database, alter system, or alter database in other cases. So this is the command we use: alter system set open underscore cursors 350. You want it to go, we wanted to scope both. We could have scope equals SP5 and create P5 from SP5, but we decided to scope equals both. So alter system set open underscore cursors equals 350, scope equals both, and we got a result. If I decide to show parameter open cursor, you will see that the value won't be 300 anymore. It's gonna be 350. Let me just try, and you see. $350. Very simple, very easy. Okay. Any question?
Yes.
So
So you spoke about troubleshooting. Are you still going to do that?
Right. Well, I'm gonna give up the remote control. My manager is gonna go back to her P5. Good question, by the way. So just gonna see if the P5 is still empty, because normally it is impossible for the P5 to be empty. That's the reason why I tried the show parameter open cursor command. It comes your database comes with it, with all those parameters. You cannot have a database with no retention time. It is not possible. You cannot have a database with no open cursor. So automatically it comes with it, and you can edit it. If you like, you can edit it. And if at work, they can ask you to edit your retention time. So all know what retention time is, I guess. So Marinette, I'm going to grant you back the remote control and go ahead and view your P5 to see whether it is still empty or not. Give up remote control.
Another, you were laughing, but can you just remind me again what that retention time is?
Okay. Okay, this one.
want me to?
In one sentence, it will be okay. I think one sentence will remind me.
Okay. My retention time is how long do I want to keep my backups, I think. Yes. How long do I want to keep my backup?
Backup?
Yes.
Before they become obsolete? Is that retention time? I don't think so.
Is it backup?
I think it's backup.
Retention times is usually in seconds, right? It cannot be backups.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm talking about. Wait, let me see something.
What are we talking about here? Are we talking about the undo? Maybe it is the undo. The amount of time information has to remain in the undo.
Yes, I think so. Me too, I think so. The amount of time the information has to be held in the undo before it is being closed out or what?
Yeah, it's for undo. Come on, man.
Hello, Marinette.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and get inside your P5.
You want me to open the P5 or just to see where is it? To open it?
VI the P5, yes.
LSD in one walk.
Yes. Let me see. Oh.
Oh.
Actually,
It's not the same.
I don't think you have to VI the way you put VI. I don't know. Let me see. VI. Just go up, see the way she did.
This
Yes.
is to open the. This is to open.
Go on the operating system.
Yes, that one on is not working.
You
on
can't hear on SQL.
She exit. I think she exit from SQL, right?
Mm. Init TLSDM. Okay. It's empty.
I don't know why my P5 is empty.
Okay, that's fine. Now, Marina, just change your parameter process. I don't know why your P5 is empty. Normally, it doesn't have to be. So, go ahead and edit the parameter process.
So when it's
Exit.
empty, what can be the problem?
I don't know. It is
When you
actually it is empty, but all the parameters are there. So I don't know why it's like this. but all the parameters are there in the system. So you can go ahead and edit your parameter process. The same way as I edited the open cursor.
Go back to SQL.
Oh, I have to skip to
Escape.
escape.
And QX. I don't know if it's commercial Q something.
Q, I think.
No.
QW.
Yeah, no. QW is not there. It's not there. Escape. The semicolon. Control semicolon. Semicolon. Control is like, I think, yes. The exclamation Q. Q exclamation, something like that. I think.
I forgot.
Yeah.
No.
So it is Q exclamation.
Q exclamation, yeah.
I thought this.
Who can give me the meaning of Q exclamation?
Q and exclamation, Mahinet.
Who can give me? Who can tell
It's not
I
question.
Q.
Q exclamation. It's not question.
Exclamation is the shortcut of the SQL.
To do what?
No, this is to insert.
No. Q exclamation maybe is the question. We don't find the question.
No.
It is so that you don't save. It is so that you don't save.
Exactly.
It's to insert, right?
No. Don't save. Don't save.
Oh,
Don't
yes.
save anything.
It means don't
Exit
save.
without saving. If I want to save, I will WQ.
Yeah,
Yes,
that one we know.
Good.
So let me.
You have to connect to SQL. SQ, Mahinet.
Let me finish what I'm doing.
SQ.
What? Oh, sorry.
So you go back again on that one is CD, is on Oracle on operating system. So what she said you have to check your parameter. It's not show parameter.
It's not to check my P file and my FP file.
No. Show parameter. You've already checked your P file.
It's empty. That's why you went back to the SQL. Show parameter processes.
I want you to change your parameter process.
ES.
Takisa, please get ready.
Processes.
You say what, Renata?
SES. No. Double S.
I just put double S and you say.
No. You say you just stop by there. Say ES again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Semicolon. Okay.
So what about the to change the retention time? So it wasn't what you were talking about, Renata.
No, the retention time you do the same thing. Okay, Marinette, you can go ahead and edit your processes.
Alt.
You want to edit the processes.
Alt.
The last one, yeah, you have to alter. Hello, Marinette.
Yes.
I think we have to participate, everybody. We cannot be quiet like everybody. So we need to learn everybody together. If she doesn't get it, so It's not open cursor because you fix the cursor, right? So it's the process.
Yes.
Oh,
That's
Not
it.
the
No, open.
no open process.
Open cursor was the name of the parameter. Now
Yes.
the parameter you want to change
It's a process.
The last one you say processes 150. Exactly. Set processes
Semicolon.
equals
no,
Oh.
You put the value 200, 250.
Oh, you need to change it. You can put 200 because we have 150.
Then you can scope equals both. I don't think there's a spacing between scope and equals.
oh yeah.
There is no space. Who is muting? Who is the host? Who is muting people when they are talking?
Emma is the host.
They say you cannot specify initialization cannot be modified.
Okay, scope equals SP5.
It's supposed to be scope SP5, not scope equals both.
Because you are copying only the P file.
Huh?
I said you cannot. Yes, it's if both is like you are taking both even SP even a P file. Now we are getting only try to do P file.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh.
Scope equals SP5. SP5, not P5.
Yeah, SP, not P.
Yes. No, just remove the P, Mahinette.
Oh.
I don't think there is a space after that equals to for you to put the 200.
Mm-hmm.
There is no space.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
it's
just put equals to, yeah. Yeah. Space.
Good.
Okay, good. So the next person is Sakisa.
Wait, wait. I think we have to. Okay, you want to do all of them at once.
No.
Because no, once we are scoping, we have to shut down. After that, I have to create a P5 from SP5. You know that, right?
You have to shut down immediate.
You have to create P5 from
SP5.
Create P5 first.
Create P5 from SP5 and you shut down immediately.
Yeah.
At least if anybody does not understand the reason why we're creating P5 from SP5, please ask question. If anyone doesn't understand the reason why we're creating P5 from SP5, ask question.
Because the P5 was empty.
Yeah.
So that's why we are creating the P5 from the SP5.
No, because
the reason is
these changes you have made. You have
exactly
the SP5, so you have to make the P5 have the same copy of the SP5.
Oh, okay.
Of the SP5.
Okay.
But how can I do to get all my P5? I mean everything, because I have it, but it's not in the P5.
Shut down.
Try to do, and then Renata, you have to know then the scoping too. Like hope everyone knows why they are scoping.
To be the same, right?
Yeah, it's
The scope is like the information has to be the same everywhere. The P file and the SP file.
You must mention like because we have to shut down now. So after you shut down and bring it back up, because one is the memory, right? The other one, yes. This change, if you don't shut down, it's going to remain only in the memory. So once you scope now, but it means it has to take place in the memory, and when you shut down and bring it up back, it takes place now to in the this is the P file or SP file.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I don't know. Let me just add something to what he said. I think when you put scope equal both, you are asking that the changes be done both in the memory. What they mean the memory is the current session you are using. And at the same time, the memory should be done, the changes should be done in the system as a whole.
Good.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Okay.
I didn't get you.
It means that, for example, when they say scope equal both, right?
Mm-hmm.
It means that the changes should be done both in the session you are currently using, that is the session that is open, and in the system as a whole. You remember at a certain point in time, they will teach us that you can put scope equal memory.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It means that once you shut down your system, the changes that you did would not apply. You understand?
Okay.
Exactly. Once you put scope equal memory, it means that equal both. It means that the changes that you did are going to apply both in the SP file and the current session you are using, not the P file.
Or the current session you are using.
Okay. For example, if you were to change parameter processes and you have your session open, your database is open. Once you put scope equal both and you alter the parameters to be increased to 150 or to 200, immediately in that particular session you are using, those parameters change to 200 too. You understand? If you put scope equal SP file, it is not going to be changed within that session that you're using till you restart your database. If you put scope equal both, it is going to be changed both in the session you're using, and the change is going to be affected in the SP file. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
And is it normal if you want to change only in the maybe in the system, the current system that you are using?
You're going to put scope equal memory. When I mean current system, it means that at that particular time when you're using your database, once you off your database, that parameter is going to be lost. It is not going to be registered. Even if you go and create P5 from SP5, SP5 from SP5, it is gone.
So it means like we are saving when we say equal both, right?
Equal both, exactly. You are asking it to also save in the SP file.
Okay.
To remember that in the SP file.
Thank you.
Okay. Joseph Desmond, thank you so much. So Marinette, go ahead and shut down your database, and you can let Sakisa share his screen. I have a question for you guys.
Hey man,
Shut down
send me the host.
Yeah. He made it.
There's a typo.
It's what?
It's a typo, typing error. Shut down. Okay.
Oh, it's true.
I have a question for you guys before Sakisa shares his screen. My question is, what makes up Oracle database? For example, 1 + 1 = 2. What makes up 2? 1 + 1. My question is, what makes up Oracle database? That means, what do I need to join to get Oracle database?
Get Oracle database to join.
Oh, you need the instance, and then you need the.
You need the instance.
Marinette is closed, by the way.
You need the control. You need the instance. You need to mount your parameter files. Has to mounting.
No. Marinette, you're close.
Yeah.
I need. If I want Oracle database, what do I need to join to get Oracle database?
You have to set your environment.
Instance of data 5.
Exactly. I need my instance and my data file. What makes up my instance? Other question.
Your control file.
No. What makes up the instance?
Server.
No.
The instance. It's a parameter. It's a parameter.
The instance
No,
is
it's the
memory
memory.
plus disk.
Structure,
Memory plus
absolutely.
database or memory.
Memory structure plus process structure equals instance. Memory
structure and what?
process structure equals
Okay.
instance.
That one
Meaning
was
that instance plus data file equals Oracle database, or memory structure plus process structure plus data file equals Oracle database. You need to remember this. You need to remember this.
You will come at the interview, eh?
Okay.
Oh, the instance is the database file. The instance is the memory structure and the process.
Structure.
I remember it was the first chapter.
Exactly.
I don't have any problem. I'm sure my group is going to be there to help me.
Just pray. Keep praying.
I'll just be reading from the board.
Oh, no.
Yes,
Instance is.
It's good, like, because.
Okay.
I didn't finish it. I didn't finish this one. After I shut him down,
That's it.
That's it.
Oh, does it?
You can do show
Stop sharing your
parameters.
screen.
Start off, that's off.
Yes, start off. You can stop sharing.
Okay, it's a memory structure plus a process structure.
Yes.
Plus a data file. It makes a data file, database files. I remember. I see my notes because we don't read. Oh my God, we don't read. That's the problem.
Oh yeah, that is the chapter, the first chapter, right?
Yes.
And
First day we start class. The memory structure is a fast structure. The instance contains memory, and the instance is the number of memories. Instance has two jobs, read and write. Okay. Bafekash.
Marinette, please stop sharing your screen.
Aquí c'est international.
all the time.
Hello, Sakisa. Please, who's sharing the screen?
This is Sakisa, right?
Yeah, I think it's Sakisa. You asked Marinette stuff now.
TLS, DMO.
Sakisa is muted. Okay, so the question I want Sakisa to do is, I want him to identify his blocking session and his serial number. Sakisa, I want you to identify your blocking session and your serial number. Only. Hello, babies. You're the next.
Mm.
Heart already beating.
Say it again, this one.
I said, are you already feeling the pressure?
Oh no, I'm not in. I'm not in front of don't know.
We don't want you to lose another database today. Nobody wants problem.
No, that's why I'm quiet. So you have to. You should put Desmond. Desmond never opened his database, Renalda. Desmond. How can you pick me like that?
Don't be telling our secrets.
I never seen Desmond. Even Airman.
Our secrets to people.
Even Airman. Renalda, even Airman. Choose them. Pick
Every
them.
time they say that, oh, my database is this, my
Yes.
database is that, because they don't
And
want.
Only Marinette and I. Pick them
Everything,
today,
right,
Renalda. That's
everything.
it's not fair. Pick
Don't
them.
worry. Today, everybody
It's
is
only
Hey,
three
guys.
people who show
Something.
they are who work here. I mean, not just work, but who work on their database. Only three. All those women. The men, they always have excuse.
You're supposed
so
to
that they
stand
won't
with us, you guys.
Hey, girls. You girls are the lucky ones that you are practicing from your database.
Okay.
You should not be looking at some of us that are at disadvantage here. We are not complaining. We have given you people the authority to be doing
No,
these things.
don't say authority. Never.
Well, you want us to start arguing about whose database we should use?
Takisa, please go ahead. He's even muted. I don't know if you understand. Okay. Takisa, please go ahead. I want you to identify your blocking session and your serial number.
Renata, we skip that retention timer, and
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
It is just the same thing. You just need to show your parameter retention type. You alter, yes, the same thing.
Okay. On SQL or on Command Plus?
On SQL.
Okay.
I think should be show serial number, right?
No. No, I think you only show the parameters. Yes, you only show the parameters. So the serial number, no. Serial number is not a parameter, so you don't need to.
I think what we want to do is describe video session. It's going to give you more insight on what to view.
Describe what?
Video
session.
Mm-hmm. No, put together session. Put $V and session together.
And when we show the retention time, please one
session double S. Yes.
The retention time has to be in minutes, right?
Seconds.
Okay.
Seconds?
Yeah, this is everything.
Yeah, so you can take it from there. We are going to have $V blocking session. Anyway, you have what you need there.
What is the serial number? This is serial number, right?
Serial number.
Yeah, this is a serial number. Okay, this one.
Exactly. So you have everything there.
Mm-hmm.
I think one thing that I am learning to use in this database thing is this describe command. It's very important. So you want to know all the $V that exist in the database, or almost all, what you think you need, and describe them. To be able to use select statements properly.
Mm-hmm.
Serial number, SID, username. I think you're going to go down, there's maybe status, maybe even blocking session somewhere. There's blocking session somewhere around.
So this is all the session that he has, or?
No, he's still trying to query them.
Oh.
No, this is all the session you have.
He has queried them already? No,
yes,
he hasn't.
Describe VDollar session. So these are all the sessions.
All the
This is all the session I have.
No. These are not the sessions. This is the DDL.
Oh.
See, this is more like the how do you people call it? Like it's more like the DDL, the data definition language, or whatever you call it. It's more like the structure of that particular
language.
That the data language, right?
Yeah. So this is not the session. So what he wants to do is select
VDollar.
No, not VDollar. Go up. Go up.
Desmond, I don't understand what you just explained.
When you're creating a table, do you remember that you put all this number, all these voucher things? It is more like the structure of the session. You know, now he wants to query which sessions he has open, you know, and what are the blocking sessions. You understand? You understand that?
That means that what is this? First of all, what is, according to you, what is a session?
No, let me ask a question first, please. When you say identify your blocking session and your serial number, we have to date the session and then we see the
Exactly.
This is the serial numbers.
Describe your VDollar session.
So where's the number? There is no
number. Where is the number?
That's not the number.
What I want to tell Renata, a session is like Desmond opening a session, Renata opening a session, Marinette opening a session. That is why we call a session when you go and use different users to open a session or maybe create sessions. Now, what we just did is a describe command. This just describes what a session should look like. All the things you can get from a session, you know?
Just to have an idea what the session has inside.
Okay, I got you.
You know? So now what he wants to do is select serial number, SID.
No, I just want him to select the serial number, the blocking session. Okay, I got you.
So go down, let us see where the blocking session is.
Have everybody understood at least what
this is it? Do you see where blocking session is? Blocking underscore session. Blocking underscore session.
Okay, Desmond, please, 1 second. Joseph, David, Emma, are you guys okay? Yeah. Okay, did you understand what Desmond just explained?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay, good, perfect. So
yeah, I think it makes sense because here we do not see any numbers.
For example, let me just take it simpler. For example, if I want to create a session, or if I want to connect to Oracle. If I want to connect to Oracle, I'm trying to create a section with Oracle, right? What do I need to connect to Oracle? I need a username. I need a password. I need a status. I need a blocking session. I need this, I need that. So what we just did, we described the VDollar session. That is all the things I need to connect to Oracle, because if you look for the Oracle definition of session, they will just tell you that a session consists of every connection to Oracle. Every connection to Oracle, that means everything you need to connect. Everything I need to connect. I need a username. I need a status. I need a password. I need this, I need that. So this is what we describe. And these are all this. So the question I asked, Sakisa was to identify his blocking number. I could ask him to identify the SID too. So I just want him to identify the serial number and the blocking session. Whenever I ask that, you know that no, it is part of a session, right? Blocking number is part of a session. The username, I could ask him to identify the username too. It is part of a session. So whenever you get this, the first thing you need to do is describe your VDollar session to see everything you want. To make it easier, you can just go ahead and select the username from VDollar session. It's going to work. You can go ahead and select your status from VDollar session. It's going to work. But to make it easier, to make it more clear, I describe my VDollar session, and from VDollar session, what do I get? I get my username, my serial number, get everything.
Serial
This is
numbers.
basically what session is all about. So Sakisa, you can go ahead and select your serial number and your blocking session
This
from
is
$3 session.
this
Exactly.
is this serial number, right?
Yes. You
Okay.
select serial number. You use it. Yeah, it's already there.
Okay. I need to put the semicolon, right?
The comma.
No, comma.
Yes.
Because you are going to put the
blocking session.
blocking session together.
Space. Is there a space before?
No, I don't understand.
There's no space.
Yeah, I don't understand why I need to put blocking session one more time. I think.
Before you want to see blocking session 2. Select serial number is 1. You want to see the serial number. You want to see blocking session. So you are doing it together.
So I can I can do all together, right?
Yeah, that's why they say comma, which means another one is coming.
Okay, so I can select now the blocking session. Okay, I understand.
That one is going to give the status, blocking session status.
Is that the status? Are you looking for the status or the blocking session?
No, that one is
just blocking.
It is going to give the status, not the blocking session.
Yeah.
Once you remove that status,
Can't you just remove the session?
Yeah, the status.
yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
It's not space in between.
There's a space after serial number.
Yeah.
It's not space.
There is a space after serial number, comma, space, blocking session.
Okay, now semicolon. Right?
Yeah.
Pero.
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. You need to put select serial number blocking session from $V session.
Okay.
From $V session.
It said I told you whenever you use select from must come because you are selecting, you must specify.
It's not gonna work again. Just press enter. It's not gonna work.
You cannot select. I don't specify where you are selecting the thing.
From where?
From
select
$V
serial from $V. Serial number blocking number. You think it's $V there? No, no. Select serial number from $V. No.
Yes, select serial number.
You select
session
from
$V session.
Exactly.
Because she put again, you put again blocking underscore session from $V session again.
Yes.
Yeah, because I need to select from somewhere. That's why it doesn't work.
I select from what I've
semicolon.
Yeah, I put semicolon already.
No,
no. You put comma.
Okay. Now it's good. Yeah, because we select it from somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's 33 row. Let me check everything.
It's 23, not 33.
23, sorry.
So where's your blocking session?
This is my serial. This is serial blocking session 4818. This is, but I do not see the serial numbers.
There is no blocking session. You don't have serious number, but you have not seen any blocking. There is no blocking session.
There is no blocking.
This is serial number, right? So I think it doesn't work because we put that together.
No,
it doesn't work. It works.
It works.
Where's the blocking session?
You have a blocking session.
That means that database doesn't have any blocking session.
It doesn't have. I don't because I only see the serial number. The blocking session is empty.
Yes, it's empty. It's normal.
But the command work.
Yes.
Yeah.
But there is no blocking session. You remember that to create a blocking session, you must create a queue. So there's no blocking session. You haven't created any queue.
Exactly.
Any queue. You
understand. Yeah.
So you are looking for a blocking session without any queue. How do you expect it to happen?
I understand.
You guys see the difference when everybody is participating and when one person.
Yeah. I think this way
good.
is this way is good. We learn something.
Yes.
So because when you practice, you learn.
And not at most time. This period is horrible.
Your microphone is breaking down, Joseph.
Yeah, Joseph is too slow. It doesn't listen
You're
to you.
too far from your microphone, I think.
I don't know. It's the machine that I'm using.
Okay,
it's better now.
Okay.
Sakisa, you can stop your.
I can stop, right?
Yeah, stop sharing your screen. Thank you.
Okay.
And Bibi share her screen. I have a question before Bibi share her screen. So, who can explain the concept of cache hit and cache miss?
That was Sakisa. That is Sakisa.
Yeah, that is my job now. That's my job for presentation.
Oh, really?
That is buffer cache now.
Okay. So we can explain.
That was Sakisa job.
That's my job. Cache miss.
And Bibi's, because she's the one who started before giving to Sakisa.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm the one who gives Sakisa the way to.
Yeah. Let me explain.
Sakisa was like out.
So when the user doesn't find the file in the buffer cache, that is
Sakisa, not the user, the server process.
the server process, man. I forget everything, man. Yeah. The server process doesn't find the data in the. Man, I need to read. I forgot. I don't remember.
Wait. According to me, it is the user. According to Emma.
The user issues the SQL statement.
Exactly.
But it
the
is
user issues.
It's not the user who finds it there, because after the user issues the SQL, right, it goes now to the
listener.
To the listener. The listener takes it to the server. You have to say
it becomes the server process.
It becomes a server process.
The server process, yeah. So you are correct. Because the user only
outside.
Yeah, the user is outside.
Okay.
I was surprised. A man just want to put me in trouble because I think something.
It's the server process.
It's not the user. It's a server process.
Okay, so can you guys explain?
He has not understood. Someone should explain it to him and tell him how the user function, because he has not understood.
Akisa is already gone.
Okay, let me just be breaking it down. You remember the memory structure. In the memory structure, we had the first thing we had was the user who sends the request using the SQL. From the person who receives the request, I think it's the user process.
Yes.
Yes,
the user process, and he sends it to the server process. Does the passing? Yes, who does the passing? Verify. He does the
authentication first.
Authentication.
Where is all that done?
File. And if they don't find it, they will pass.
Exactly.
Where is the authentication and all of that, all those stuff done?
Excuse me?
It's in SharePool.
It is in the SharePool.
It's in the SharePool.
After the authentication and everything is done in the SharePool.
Yes. Exactly. That's true. That means it's the server process. That means after the server process does the authentication and the passing and all those things. That means verifying whether there is a SQL. There is a similar SQL that was used. He sends it now in the buffer cache. That means the server process who does the cache miss or the cache hit. So the scenario where data is not found in the buffer cache, it is called the
data file.
Cache miss.
Cache miss.
So when he doesn't find the data in the buffer cache, what does he do? He goes to the
data file.
Copy it. Exactly. Copy it and
copy it back.
Exactly. On the contrary, if he finds the data in the buffer cache.
That is
So,
cache sheet.
Cache sheet.
And
Ah,
we do have
correct.
the LRU touch count
Mhm.
recently and
okay,
frequently.
the criteria for data to be kept in the memory structure, because we all know that the memory structure is very
Active.
limited. No,
Yes.
the
It's active.
size of the memory structure is limited. So for data to be kept in the memory structure, we need criteria. The LRU, that means least recently used, and the touch count.
Yes.
That means the
frequency.
Exactly, frequently used. That means what is frequently used. So this is it for cache meat.
And the cache meat, the cache it is almost like 90%, 90% of cache.
Yeah, we're talking about the hit ratio. The hit ratio must be
hit ratio, yes, almost 90. Rather than
90%.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens if the hit ratio is not greater than or equal to 90%? Simple. We're just gonna increase the buffer cache.
Oh yes, the size, right?
Increase the size of the buffer cache. Exactly. So that was a reminder in case we forget.
So with that one we eat it, we ate it that day.
Exactly.
Like a food.
So Bibi can go ahead and share her screen.
So where's my food?
This is a good way to remember.
Yeah, I think next time we're gonna do like we do today. We're gonna everyone need to do something, practice.
Yeah, every Saturday we just practice.
Next time, I suggest we do that next time. It's good. Maybe me, I learn something new today. The way you do like this, you are not able to forget because you practice.
I'm there.
Okay, Bibi. So what I want you to do is I want you to create one table space.
Mm-hmm.
Create one table space, and I want you to edit that table space later.
The way you did to me last time is the way you did that, and I'm going to lose my database, my TLS DMO. I lose everything. Creating.
You just need to.
Yeah, I remember. Okay, you need me to create?
Yes, I want you to create a table space with the size 25 megabyte, and resize. Then later on, resize the data file of that table space to 30 megabyte. So create a table space of 25 megabytes and later on resize it to 30 megabytes.
Okay. Which name you want us to put anyway?
Any name, any name.
See if I remember. Create table space. Your question was create a table space and change the size.
Create a table space is one.
What is the name? What's the name of the table space we want to create?
Put any name you like. Create a table space of 25 megabytes.
But I think we need a name rather. Table space what?
That's what I'm saying. Any name you want.
He say I can do whatever.
Create table space Akisa.
What is the question, please? Create table space?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Create a table space and change the size, right? So let me see if I can remember exactly because I don't want to.
Table space name now.
Huh?
Create table space. Then give the table space name now. You're supposed to put the table space.
Akisa, identified by Akisa. That's it.
Is it a user? Is it create
No. It's not. It's not a user.
Okay, just create table space. Oh, I think some. Let's go. Go ahead.
Give the name now. Table space. If it's bought to create table space Akisa or Sakisa now. Create table space. I used to put no. The table space. You don't have to put that. BB. Okay, BBC. Then now I think data file. I think with data file, something like data file.
Add data file. So I'm checking. Let me check my script. Give me a second. Because I don't want to make a mistake.
So you want to check your screen to be sure.
Yeah, I see add something here. But I need to make sure like it's created table space. Okay. I think it's add that file. It's not I don't know.
Add data file.
Yes.
Slash.
Slash.
Or data.
Slash.
You are adding data file or you are creating table space.
We have created a table space now, but there must be at least even one data file now in the.
Yeah.
No, remove the add.
Just data file. I don't think just data file. There is no data file. Slash. I think our data.
Yes, I want to know, don't we need to precise small space, small size table space, big size table space? We don't need those things?
I think that one is, we spoke about that, like when they want temporary table space and the other one is which. If we just with one data file, that is
there's an error there.
A temporary table space.
Is it?
It's an error. Data file is in between the string and data file.
That's what I was saying.
Because this one is created, I think it's a temporary table space. If we were asked to put more data file, like more than one data file, it's supposed to be, I think, permanent table space.
If it is a temporary table space, we have to precise.
If it is a temporary
table space.
No, Bibish, you are right. Bibish, you are right. Continue what you were doing.
So you say there is a string between, right?
No, you were doing it correctly, but you did not put the space in between the data file and screen and string. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You say space.
Okay.
Take is our data. The database
Now you tell us them, I guess, right?
No, it's not. Yeah, I'm using that database. I just removed my DMO.
On the file.
The file?
Yeah.
How? Say it again.
The file, you can even put any name, I think. You can just put
Bibish, I was saying that there's a space in between the string and data file.
But between yeah.
Where?
The string. Yes, remove that string.
Remove that. Remove.
Space.
Space. Put the
Yes.
string now.
That's my problem.
Flash.
Flash. Yes. Go ahead.
I put like 01.
01, yeah.
.dbf.
.dbf.
String. Size. Oh, which side do you say?
25.
Come on, man. Come on. Yeah.
What is the mean of
GEU
that is what?
is the name of your table space?
Yeah,
Yes,
GEU that is what?
Huh?
GEU. That GEU
You
is
see
what?
GEU somewhere? Oh,
Yes.
it's the name of the name of my database I'm using, Je.
Oh, Je. Okay.
I don't want to use my TLS DMO because I have to fix some issues.
Good job.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to change the
Exactly.
database.
But it's gonna. But are you sure it's gonna work? Are you open down that Je database? But I think you're supposed to open that.
She's connected.
She's connected on that database.
Okay, it's fine. That's what I want to know. I think maybe it's supposed to be TXZ. No, what that one I was confused.
Hey, Bibi, that was very beautiful, but I still have a question. How do I know this is a small size, a big size table, or a big size table space? Or a small size table space is created by default?
That one I just
yes.
I think I asked this thing last time. You said one is with one data file, right? And if it has more than one data file,
it is a small file.
If it has one what?
If it has more than one data file.
So this is a big size table space.
I'm kind of confused. I think when we have only one data file, it's a big file.
Yes.
When we have multiple files, it's a small file.
Small.
Yes. So this is a big size table space we just created. I just want to be clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So we don't actually need to precise that create small size table space or big size. We just need to put it, once it is more than one data file, it creates automatically. I got it. Thanks, guys.
Welcome.
Renata, which size do you say?
Wait. Renata, I want to be clarified with what Desmond just asked. He said if you have been asked to create the small size table space, so you can still create it without specifying like create small. Wait, the one with the temp and the small, they are like same word, they are changing temporal and the permanent table space.
I don't understand.
Say it again.
Wait, the temporal, right, and the permanent. Do you have table space like temporal and permanent table space?
No, no. This is a permanent. If I want to create a temporary, I'll precise.
Temp.
So that's what I'm asking.
You said it's right.
No, wait, I want to know when we are talking about temporal and like permanent, and then we're talking about small and big. There are different things we're talking about.
Oh, there are different things. There are different.
All right. Okay. Because
when it's temp, we will put temp.
You must specify, right?
Yes.
Like, all right.
Missing.
Maybe there's no space in between. I don't know if it's.
I see. Sorry. So I don't know how to. Okay.
It's grape juice.
I never drink grape juice. Just soda is my grape juice.
Sakisa is the supplier of grape juice. I don't know where you come.
You need to try some. It's a good thing.
I've never even seen it. Maybe I don't even know. Maybe
you didn't catch.
Dipesh, your command is correct. It is alter database data file.
Alter database data file.
Data file, yes. And It is resize and not size because we've already sized it. You want to resize.
Okay. Alter database table space.
Data file, yes. Alter database data file. So it is a data file that you want to resize.
Okay. Okay. Slash Oradata.
Oradata, no Oradata.
Thank you, Papa. I saw it.
I'm not in front of Grape Juice tonight. I'm very, very clear.
I can tell.
Herman is on something, Herman.
So she doesn't have to alter the table space?
I alter.
But they say missing.
It's altering the data file. It is the data file that has the size.
No alter table space. It's alter data file.
Data file, yes.
Oh, yeah, okay, that is
okay. Alter data file. So let's see. We see DB database file. Database file string. Size. And alter data file or data. Good.
Good job.
Good job. Yeah, a good GPA now.
Satisa, I do have a lot.
Please, you need to share your screen.
Emma is taking grape juice.
Emma is the next.
Emma, you are drinking some grape juice?
Okay, so before Emma shares his screen, can someone explain the background processing? The background process, that is the people writer on Emon, every month.
That's why it's me.
One person can give the GB writer, and one person can do the S.
The browser down, chap. Is a fast writer. Yeah, he writes more than the long writer.
Enalda, to see which one make change on me, I have to see show tables. It's what again after?
I have to describe.
Yeah, describe table space.
DB underscore. I think it's DB underscore table space.
Let me see this.
No. Select name from $V table space.
Yes, that one was like select because we need to see the change. Select name from $V.
So you say we describe the DB router, right? Another.
No, we are checking if it take place.
Yeah, she says she also have. I think
no, that one is table space. We have to $V data file. We have to, let me see. We need to see if what we did make place. So I think we have to smell like food.
Okay, this is BBC BB.
Is I think is
you wanted to see the size?
Yes, we want to see if it took place. So for alter system, no.
See the size.
To see the size.
I just describe
something here.
Describe $V space.
If we want to see if it took place, is this? You think it's described?
No, wait. Go up. Let me see what you did. Is it select name from $V?
Yeah, that one is select name from $V.
Okay, select name from $V data file.
Data file. Let's see. So no, we want to see the size. Let me see the command. Remember, we want to see the size when it took place on it because we changed something. So I think it's alter something. Wait, we have to think about it. Let me see my notes here. It's alter. Somebody remember? Hello, guys. Somebody remember?
I'm trying to think.
Yes, we need to see which one took place. If it's already really changed. Select name. No. That one is for.
Well, now we did not see the size, right?
Yes, we have to see it. I cannot leave like. I remember we did it with another before the exam.
Can we do it like select name? Can you do select name command, select size from VDollar data file?
No, that's the reason I wanted her to describe.
Can you try select name,
describe
site from VDollar data file?
Select what?
Name, comma, byte.
Byte. No select. No select.
That one is byte.
Bibi.
You don't have space between the.
Is
okay.
Des or select? Man, is Des or select?
The select.
Okay, because you write down Des. Okay.
They said select name.
Yeah.
Byte.
No space.
That was that is my problem.
No, remove the comma.
Okay.
Try from VDollar data file.
From VDollar.
I just think about so.
Yeah, data file. So let's see. We have to find that command. That one is a byte. We need to see the size we change.
Oh, that's it, Didish.
But that one works too.
You will never see exactly 30. You can see. And yes, it is the two first.
Yeah.
You change to how to 30?
Yes, to 30.
But you have 30.
Where's 30?
You have 31.45. That's 30.
That's it, Didish.
This one.
Yes, the two first.
The way you put 30 and you will not see like that. That 30
not see it like that.
Oh. Okay. Just make sure. Thank you. Stop share. Okay. Somebody can take place.
Somebody, everyone is finished now. So wait, yeah.
That one is for who? Can you make your pudi a little bit bigger?
Yes, Michael. What?
Appearance. Yep.
Who's sharing?
It's Eman. Eman is sharing.
Oh, okay.
You can look up to your screen. You're going to see who's sharing. Is there some green light is on top and let you know who's sharing.
Oh, okay. Yes, thank you. But if we go to the
okay, Eman. So I want you to multiplex your VDollar file, making each file with each directory.
You want me to multiply my VDollar file?
And you have to make each file with his own directory. So multiplex it to 4 members.
That one was also a good exercise.
That is exam. GB1 exam.
He's doing good, so we can go over it.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, I'm going to try again to learn with. So we have to talk about MyNet. I don't know about Yvonne. So when are we gonna go there?
What do you say?
I got the money for like Stratford, Desmond, you, David, Sakisa, and I. So I don't know where are you gonna be available, somebody, so we can buy stuff and go.
So anyway, I'm first of all going to create some directory.
Oh, he do look.
The question is to do what?
Emma, don't open your script.
Why?
Don't open your script.
I have the right.
Let us try to do without script first.
Until don't open, so we can help.
You say what?
We are talking about redo log files here. Will you, if you don't open this script here, let's be sincere, you think you can memorize all these things?
No, I said we can.
Redo is the most easiest one.
It's we just say we can just try, and if it doesn't work,
the most easiest one.
Because to open the screen and the script and do everyone can do that. When you don't do that, you can brainstorm and you're gonna remain to our mind.
Is to multiplex the redo log file?
Yes.
Okay. And do what does it?
Each file has his directory.
Okay, I'm going to create some directory.
C'est quoi? Je vais taper.
Faut pas taper.
Papa a tapé, maman. Oh.
A4.
Let me call to first see log. Select member. Status. No,
Create data log, create on redo.
Basically, this is incomplete. So instead of doing, I think this is incomplete.
We don't have to change the size, right? That's why I did not select the byte.
Okay, that's fine.
Member status. So I'm not seeing the status here.
So
you can just select all from $3
No, I said here, I'm viewing, I have the 3 groups, right?
mm-hmm.
But I'm not seeing the status to see which is current, which is inactive.
Oh, that one you have to
select. Yeah. You have to select, right?
Yeah, this status here.
Oh.
No, but I don't think you can you just do status on its own? Let's see how it goes.
You can just select all from $3
Mm-hmm.
I did.
Typo.
Select.
There's a typo.
Select.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
Yes, there.
Mm-hmm. No.
Excuse me, guys. I didn't get the beginning. What are we trying to do now?
It's going to multiplex the Hiduloka.
Ah, okay, I got it. Okay.
So you see that instead of doing select name member on all those stuff, you can just select all from
below.
Yeah.
Succeeded.
Drop.
You said?
Are you dropping one? Which one? An inactive one?
We have to multiplex, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You don't need to drop. When we drop it is when we want to resize.
Yeah.
You don't need to resize.
So, but we have to change the directory, right?
But you can change.
How are we going to change the directory without dropping?
I'm gonna change it. Okay.
That's try to see. I know.
Just move the directory. If you just alter the location, where is it?
Yes.
Not doing what? The duplication.
If you just alter the location
again. What was the station again?
Multiplex the Hidulok and change the directory. Each Hidulok with his own directory.
Okay, let us see. Alter database. Add.
Alter database.
I don't think it's.
Do we have to change the size of any?
No, we don't need to change. I don't think it's gonna work. If he does it like that, that means that the group 1, for example, is gonna have his directory, which is
Two directory.
Yeah, it's gonna have 2 directories.
That's what I wanted to drop first.
Drop it.
Excuse me. You said group 1 is going to have 2 directories.
That means group 1 will have his directory, and the members of group 1 will have another directory. That makes it 2, and that's not what we want.
My SQL statement is correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Okay, now I'm going to remove, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't drink. Come on.
Just give me a few minutes. If you don't hear it from me, Renata, I hope it's okay. You say we should take it permission now.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Please, if I made a mistake, just correct me.
No, you don't need to put. You
are going to CD here. You are going to rm/ or data /
Okay.
rm/
the directory of the
where your redo is. Where your redo is.
The data / redo. Yeah, acat / redo 03.log.
Redo 03.
Look your ACAT. Look your ACAT first.
You said?
You put ACAT. Maybe it's not gonna work. Your database is ACAT.
R.
Oh. Let's see. Let me see.
It's ARCAT.
It's not gonna work.
No, that's different.
I'm just.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Say what, Remy?
So we're doing all of this because we want to change the locations of the redo log files.
Yes.
Yes.
You have to add. It's not add. Add log file.
So I'm putting on the new directory.
So which group are you putting? Redo log 0?
No, you adding the
log file.
The group first before adding the member, so you don't need to put any 0. So he was correct. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Please give me a second. All right, I'm back.
Add log file. It's not group.
Is it add log
Because you dropped the group 3.
I dropped the group. Yeah.
You
is
have
it
to
add log group 3, or is it? I don't know.
It's not the direction.
You have to add log file. You put the file directory. No, wait a second.
Add log
file group 3. You put the directory after it.
Yeah, the directory you give to that group. Group 3 has / Ora data. /
I think it has to be in strings.
Yeah.
After 3.
Yes.
/ Ora data / you put on log file / redo 003 log .log
I need to put the size too.
We have to put the size.
Always.
Size.
So let me just copy the.
There is no size there.
Yeah, this is the size BB.
The size is 52. You cannot copy everything. Just copy 52.
No, I just copy the size.
You cannot copy all that size.
I've never seen the copying everything like that.
They copied the 2 first.
Exactly.
I think. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm gonna add member.
Exactly.
After database, add log file member. You can copy that. If we try to remember every time we meet once, we can be good.
Emma, it is add log file member before putting the
add log file member string. Is the control file is problematic? Space strings / Ora data.
Log file member to group 3, right?
No. You put the / Ora data / log / redo
string first / Ora
data.
data.
Put into group 3.
Yes. log file. We do 03.
No,
03.
You're adding log files to the group. You're adding members to the group. We do 03A dot log to group 3.
Size. I think this you don't need to group 3. Yeah. Semicolon. That's it. Okay.
Is how many members we have to add?
3 members.
So we have 3, right? Or one more?
Really?
We have 3. We have 3 already. So you can go ahead and do for the next group. There's a space in between group and 2.
It's not. It's not Oradata slash log slash redo 02.
No, this is the second directory.
Oh,
to directory.
Oh, the second, okay. Yeah. Oh.
It's like this.
Yes.
After the number switch log 5.
There's a T.
Yeah.
There's T inside switch.
Before C, put T.
PCH, right?
Yes.
I think it's one word. Log 5 is one word.
One log.
I'm not even sure that it is database.
No, it's one. It's not. It's one log.
Oh, it is not database. It is alter system.
Alter system.
Alter system switch log 5.
System. You work. Select. Why your computer? Group 3. Too active.
Okay, let me just explain. The alter system switch log file, it is when you want to change an active group to current. When the group becomes current, you just alter system checkpoint global. Checkpoint global change to the current to inactive.
So we're supposed to have like
alter system checkpoint global now.
So we're supposed to have like one active, one current.
One current and one inactive, right? Before alter system global.
No, there's no inactive. That's why he wants to put a checkpoint.
I said like a result. We need to have like one active, one group current, and one group what? Inactive?
Yes. Now you're good. So you switch log 5 and you do the checkpoint global. You can drop the database.
But I shouldn't drop this log file because I want to live in the same directory. I'm dropping already.
Roll back. Is it possible?
No, that's fine. You can just remove it and go ahead and
add it.
Add it back.
Or should be in stream.
slash or data.
Make a mistake.
At a database at.
No, we should have group 1 somewhere here.
Supposed to put log file group 1 to the group.
The group.
Just check the SQL there and copy paste.
No, we should have log file group 1 here.
Yeah, before or data, before the string.
Yeah.
You already lose it. You have to remove it. It's not coming back.
Yeah, group 1.
After system. Oh, you are doing database. Add log file. Are you adding a member?
Yes.
Add the member. Add log file member. Group. To group. Do you add that? I don't see your full. To group. You didn't put the group?
It's here, baby, at the end of my SQL statement.
Oh, I don't see. I see that.
Oh, you put the.
Can you remove? I don't know if it's me who put that.
It's him. You put the participant and.
Yeah, remove the participant so we cannot see your SQL.
Oh, let me see. It's fine now?
No. Just reduce the screen that the participant space. Yes. On the left, on up.
It's fine.
I still see, we're still seeing Herman, Bibish, Dev, Marionette, Desmond. Just remove it so we can see the way you are typing your command. Please.
Just minimize that screen.
Yes, it's minimizing.
No, it's still there. We can't see the just minimize the. Okay, that's good.
Because you said
no,
1B, it's 1B again.
No, BB.
It's not 1C.
No, I see what's my problem. It's base. All right.
Vlog file.
want to select member.
That one is a big job. But it's a good idea.
What happened? Gloria. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry.
Emma, when you're dealing with Vidolux, you don't select the name. It's just the member.
Member with S, right?
Mm-hmm. I don't think S, sir.
No. If it is $V log, it is with no S, but it is
no S.
Log 5. If you want to select members from $V log 5, you can put it.
Member, I told you no S. Mm-hmm.
Nine.
You good?
Okay, good job, Emma. Hello, Desmond.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Okay.
Desmond went to the kitchen.
So this one will be the last one before we end the meeting.
So, you already know where we're Bibish. I'm going to the kitchen.
Emma, you can stop sharing.
I'm going to the kitchen. Then I better say I'm going to work, so I have to start thinking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Emma, stop sharing your screen and Desmond will share his own.
I'm group leader. I'm going to the kitchen now.
That means we can end the meeting.
What am I supposed to do actually? But
I just wanted you to create the client connection between two of your databases.
Client connection. Oh, is it? Let me look how much time it can take. Okay, let me just take password. Okay, got you. Let me. Have you released the lock? Eman, have you released the lock?
Yeah.
Eman, you need to stop sharing your screen and give this one the host.
He left. Maybe it's coming. He left.
Hello?
Yeah, because it's not there.
It's still there.
Client connection is a client connection.
Yeah.
You mean like a link?
For example, the client connection that you do on your command prompt.
What do you mean between?
TNS ping.
In one of my databases.
TNS ping.
Okay. But Renata, that thing is easy for me now.
Hey. Oh, that's because you're saying you're going to the kitchen, so.
Renata, on Monday again. On Tuesday.
To do something difficult. You know what I want us to do? All the time they're only asking us to be creating table spaces and doing difficult things. Not that are difficult, but they're a little bit monotonous. So I was thinking when we create a database, rather than going and be creating users and creating data files and creating all those things, we already have a lot of table spaces. We already have a lot of databases that have users and that have table spaces and data files. What we need to do is to be learning how to do import and export of some of those things into the TLS demo and the ORCL that we already have, and we use them. You understand? And maybe remapping them, giving them different names within the data that we want to use.
That one is we have to.
Don't worry. It is part of the revision that we'll be doing on Saturday.
That is the kind of work that I want us to be doing. All the time, TLS demo and you go and create table spaces, data file that.
That's one. I think this is just the beginning. So
yeah,
the
this is just
suggestion is
actually
good.
this is just
So we
good.
have to touch everywhere
you're gonna
this month. We
increase-
have to touch everywhere.
Yeah.
Do for us a TNS ping.
I think
This
the
is just
beginning
the
is not.
beginning. Every Saturday we'll be practicing.
Yeah, the
we have
beginning
to go
is
everywhere. And not that she's right. We cannot go only on stuff. On the day
So
of
we're
the
going to
interview,
increase
you
it.
can go and they ask you for multiplex the Hidu log. How can
But to maybe go over all these things once, like everything, we can take one of the exam question, the GB1 exam question. Here we have, I mean, I think everything is there, or almost.
Yeah, we can do it that way. We'll just take a DB1 exam question and we change the name from cars to vehicles and we just change it.
Yeah, we create
Yes, we just create one exam for ourselves by changing
one
some of those
exam,
names.
yes, and then go over it maybe like 2-3 times, different name.
And we ask, and then as Renata has already put in place that apparently Saturday's revision for the rest of what we have been doing. During the week, we start working on some of those things, and then when we meet on Saturday, we see where some of us are.
Yes, we can.
Where we are blocked.
Mhm.
And we now see Renata, and she tells us where the prem is.
I think it's a good idea. We can work on Tuesday and Thursday on our problems. So on Saturday we come back for revision.
So basically, you guys, as Emma said yesterday, some of us will be applying in 1 month when DB2 finishes. For those who
I'm not
attended the class
ready.
yesterday.
Oh, some people will apply yesterday. I didn't get it.
For
I'll be
also
applying in
the
December.
database DBA
Junior.
entry level, most of them apply in DB2.
Are you going to apply?
I'm not hurry. Maybe I'm going to apply
I
in
don't know, maybe.
2020, 2022, maybe me. I'm not hurry. I need to take some time to listen this thing.
It is just to say that some of us are left with 1 month. Like when DB2 finishes, they are gone. Some of us.
Yeah, I mean, when you see your finger, is it the same size or
it's
the
not
same
the same size, man.
That is a good answer, by the way. So
it look like staff was not with us anymore. It look like you already, yeah.
If someone, as Emerald said yesterday, you go to make like $30 or $40 an hour, and then the other ones stay there after 2 months or 3 or 4 months and go and make 75 or 70 an hour. Who is the loser?
Exactly.
I'm not rushing for those stuff. I'm going
to.
This is not something to rush. Anyway, anyone know how
or
we're gonna
maybe you go there, make that $40, and after 1 month you get fired.
They kick you out.
Yeah. So, but some of them, they don't. When they apply, for example, they don't leave school. They still continue.
If they go, maybe you go like that for internship. That will be really, really good. But if you go to
exactly, you don't take a permanent something. You just go for
like an internship, right?
The difference between the deep database entry level and what some of us will be doing, for example, if I applied for a DBA entry level and you're going to apply as a DBA, that means you have years of experience. What they will ask me, what they will ask you, they cannot ask it to me because they assume that I am in the entry level. That
I can tell about entry level to me.
I am new in the system. But somebody that is a DBA already, that has years of experience, they'll ask him more difficult stuff. As Marina say, if you go there for an internship, this is good. But at least you have to know some basic things.
Of course.
You are in the entry level, you need to know some stuff. So
you cannot go and then they say, can you create a database? You started looking around.
Yeah.
Even if you are in the interest.
For me, I can say I can start like an entry. So even though they asked me 40, they give me $40, we go with that.
Even $20 is money.
No,
now.
you can still get
No.
$7 in the
Also,
entry
every
level.
day you are sitting like this for $20.
No, I said if it me, I want to take
Guys,
some time.
$40 is a lot of money. That is
It's
more
a
than
money,
75,000.
No, she said $20.
It's a remote job now.
No, she
I
said
don't-
Remote job.
$40.
How are you making out to go and sit like this for $20?
No, I'm not going to sit anywhere. I'm going to make this job as a remote.
Entry level, it is 40,
It's a remote.
60, and 70.
One by
you
one.
can get
Say it
up-
again, Renata Sakisa,
I said
please.
entry level, you can get up to $70.
Yes, I need to start by entry level. So
Like
I
when
can.
you're as a DBA, you can
70
even
or
get
17. 17 or 70.
70.
Hey, are you sure?
Me, I want to be a supervisor. I want that you just give me supervisor position.
So Renata, why Emerald didn't apply for that? Why she stay in the
Emerald deserves a lot more than an entry level, because she knows when you know what you want. For
So
example,
that's why I'm saying she's supposed to go.
No, she's not going anywhere because she's not wasting her time. Emerald is
You
more.
don't know her contract with Prof. So
With
you
Prof,
cannot
I know
say
he's
that.
making money with
One
Prof.
by one. I cannot hear.
Emerald is
Emerald
partner. He's
doing-
partner with Prof now.
What Emerald is doing is not less than $35. The city she's sitting
Yeah, it's like entry level, and then she's there
it is not
learning
less
again.
than $35. What she's doing with us.
Yes.
You know what? You know what Yvonne told me in the morning class. They put $10. Everybody gives $10 to Emerald, so they collect money.
Renata, we done with class. I want to stop recording.
Sakista, wait.
No,
Yeah,
wait.
you can stop recording.
I want to stop recording. It's not good to make this thing when we record. It's not.
For example,
They give her
Desmond is